Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put your BMW 3 Series into neutral. First, ensure your vehicle has electrical power. With your foot firmly on the brake pedal, press and hold the Start/Stop button. While still holding the Start/Stop button, press the small unlock button on your gear shifter. Now, move the shifter into the neutral position and hold it there for about 5 seconds. This will keep your car in neutral even after turning off the engine. For some BMW 3 Series models, especially older ones, you might find a manual override directly within the shifter console. Begin by gently prying up the trim or boot surrounding your gear selector. Look for a small lever, which is often colored red, inside the console. Push this lever down to bypass the electronic lock. With the lever depressed, you can then move your gear selector into the neutral position, allowing the vehicle to be moved. If your BMW 3 Series has a completely dead battery or no power, you may need to access a manual release under the car. First, safely raise the vehicle using a jack and secure it with sturdy jack stands. Next, remove the plastic under panel that covers the transmission. On the side of the transmission, you will find a specific lever or bolt. For some models, tightening this bolt will engage neutral. For others, you might need to pull a lever down and secure it. Safety is paramount when performing any of these procedures. Always ensure the vehicle is stable and use wheel chocks, especially when working underneath. Remember that some emergency neutral releases are temporary and may re-engage park after a period, typically around 15 minutes. To return to park, simply press the park button or reverse the manual release steps. Always refer to your specific BMW 3 Series owner's manual for precise instructions and safety warnings.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.